baby socks. Come here. No, don't run away from the light.
No, go to the light. That one wasn't.
Yeah.
I tried to do a headstand.
Yeah.
It's like light.
It is blinding me. Socks, baby. No, don't try to nurse off your sister's head.
Just get a little rod there.
Mhm.
You can't nurse off the butt either.
No, hey, come back here. Come over here to the camera real quick. Okay, because you're...
It doesn't like cameras, apparently.
No, it doesn't. That one keeps on falling
I
out.
can't walk. It's worse than me now. At least Nemo could get it one step in.
Mhm. This one's burrowing. Meerkat Manor.
Yeah.
Now we return to Meerkat Manor.
Yes. As you can see, Flower has been very busy with her new brood.
I loved Meerkat Manor.
Yeah.
Meerkat Manor was a favorite show of mine.
Mhm. I always used to watch that.
Yeah. I felt sorry for a few of them that got kicked out, you know. Yeah, I'm noisy, baby. Hi. Yeah. Aww.
Come it.
That's stuck in my head.
That's what I'm listening to right now. Oh, well, the other one can walk better than the Meow one.
Yeah. And I think it might be a guy.
I have no idea.
Might. Socks, baby. Female baby. No, get back here. No, get out from... Oh.
I don't think we're going to get it out of there.
No.
Willingly. That one likes the camera.
Yeah.
It's a little fluffy kid. It thinks it's pretty. And it's stupid.
Yeah. I'm just going to turn this off.
Yeah, that's your sister's butt.
It was doing a lizard walk for a second.
Oh, here comes... Mommy's coming back.
Oh, hello, Mommy. Walking on my legs.
Mommy socks.
Yeah, hi. There's your babies. Yeah, take good care of them.
She's just like, what's that? Why are you holding the camera?